Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1. I've got a product I'd like to show you today. In fact, I've got two products I'd like to show you today. I'll be totally honest, a par can and an LED bar. Not the most exciting product we've shown in a while, but this has got a killer edge on it. Right, let me just tell you about the two fixtures, and we will take the camera off the stand and we will take some photos. This is a slimpar par can, we've seen hundreds of them, and this is a LED bar, we've seen hundreds of them. Let me tell you what they are from Chauvet. I'm reading off my bit of paper. Right, this one is the slimpar t12 BT. This is the colourband t3 BT as well. Now, it's just an LED par can, but there's a real but here, and we're just going to make you hang on and wait. Really excited about this product actually. Right, let me tell you about the par can. The par can, it's got 12 tri-coloured LEDs, 2.5 watts. Beam angle of 14 degrees. It's made of plastic with a metal bracket. It's got a yoke on it as well, so it'll sit on the floor. All the usual suspects. It's DMX, 3 or 7 channel. It's got IEC in, IEC out, and the DMX is on 3 pins. The bar, metal construction, right? This, again, 12 RGB LEDs, 2.5 watts, same. Beam angle 42, weight 3 kilos, and DMX 3, 5 and 13 channels. Hark, I hear you say, this is not very exciting. It's going to be, wait for it, it's going to be. Right, these are both made by Chauvet, and the trick is here, is whenever you've been to do an uplighting job, where you've gone and uplit a venue, you've got to run all them cables. I mean, it's hard enough trying to run the cables for power, but then you've got to run the DMX as well. And then, come on, we all get a bit lazy on the old control side of things because, oh, if I have to link the DMX and I've got to link a controller in and all the rest of it. No, not with these. Watch this. Right. Bluetooth gets used for everything. And it's about time we started using it controlling our lights. Well, Chauvet have done it. I believe, now stand me corrected if I'm wrong, this is the first Bluetooth controlled light that we've seen. So there's my iPad there, my lights are over there, and you can download this free app. This is available in the Apple Store and on Google Play as well, so it works on both of the iOS devices and on Android as well, which is great because, you know, there's nothing worse than it's a great idea but it only works on half the product, so this is going to work on everything. You can download it for free. Download it now, have a play around with it. But what we can do is we connect our lights. And the thing is, it's dead simple how they've done this. So them two lights are not connected via DMX. They are sharing the power. I've power linked them, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the dimmer up. And there you go, you see. Brilliant. Now you'll see this here. I know it's going to be difficult to show you every detail on here, but you're going to get the idea of it. Across the top here is our different groups, and we've got up to 8 groups. Now I've got my bar in one group, and I've got my slimpar in another group. So if I turn that off, and then take this dimmer down, we're only controlling one of the fixtures. So we can control up to 8 different banks. Bring that back up. Put our power back on. Right, and of course, yes, we can pick colours. So if we want to go to pink, there you are, did it. Now, what we could do is, well actually, I want the bar to be a different colour. So we'll go there. And we get it to be blue. I think that's killer. I just think that's a great idea. It's been staring us in the face all the time. Bluetooth, right? Then we've got colour fades, right? And we can speed that colour fades up. As you can see, I'm still controlling the bar. And we can add colours to that colour fade very easily just by tapping it. Bring the next colour in. If I want to delete that colour, I just hold and delete. Yes. If I want to add another colour, let's go for an orangey colour. Let's speed that up. I've got complete control. I've left my other par cam thing. You could bring them all together, group them all in one place if you want. Dead simple. Then what we can also do is we can save that. I could type in there colour fade, bar, and put the colours in and name it and save it and then recall it later. Genius. Absolute genius. I'm not going to do that just yet though. Pairing them is dead easy. I'll be honest, I just let them auto pair. So I'll put the app on, put the lights on, and it grouped them in the right places. I can move them groups around if I so wish. We've got some pulse effects. So if we just bring the dimmer up, and we'll take the strobe down. Let's add some colours in. Brilliant. It just works. We've got some scroll effects as well. If we add a colour in there. Bring the dimmer up. That's more of a flash rather than a fade. We can go into the rainbow effects as well, which is a slightly different effect. And then we can access our sound activated. I just think this has got to be the way to start controlling, especially for uplighting. I think this idea is in its infancy. I think we've really seen something here that is going to be different, and it's going to start changing the way that we control our lights. And I think for any of you guys that are doing uplighting and stuff like that, and venue uplighting, I think this is just going to make everything so easier. You'll be able to control it from your phone. I had it working on my phone before, but for the purpose of this video, I know we haven't zoomed right into the app. You know, it's been a bit of a tricky video to do this, as you know. I'm my cameraman, I'm my producer, I'm my video editor, I run the shop as well. I don't have loads of people to be able to do all the filming with me, so I know we haven't zoomed right into the app, and we haven't gone down in detail with it neither. It's very new to me, but I have played around with it. I watched one video from Chauvet. There was a guy in America explained it really, really well. It was a nicely done video, but I just wanted to sort of put my spin on it of what I thought. I think it's a genius, simple idea. For more information, click the link in this video and it'll take you through to our website for the pricing of the par cans and the bars. There is another par can in the range as well, and it is quad coloured. Roughly, I think the specs are about the same. I think there's a few more DMX channels on the other one. I just think it's great. Absolutely brilliant. This is called BT Air from Chauvet. Get it downloaded now. So there you go. That was the Slimpar T12 BT and the colourband T3 BT. I'm terrible at remembering things. It's why I write everything down. And that is the BT Air app, which is free to download now. This controls that via Bluetooth. Brilliant. More information, click the link, go through the website. We'll take some pictures of the fixtures now, and let's make it phase one. And I really like it.